When I was a child, I spoke as a child. I understood as a child. I thought as a child. But when I became a man, I put away such childish things. Both my parents died last fall. Let's say I've been out of commission since then. I can barely make my own damn eggs, let alone file my own taxes. But now it's fall again. The leaves have died and fallen off the trees, and I feel like the world understands my pain. You see, when someone close to you dies, you ask yourself the inevitable questions. Why me? Why not me? What is the point of existence? Don't roll your eyes. I know it sounds melodramatic, but it's true. So you meditate and you fast. You pray the Hail Mary until the pads of your fingers and throat are scraped raw. And then you arrive at the point that there is no point. There's no grand plan, no holy purpose. There's only you and me, and that is enough.
Okay, Milena, it's a great story, but what does any of this have to do with filing your taxes?
Nothing. Nothing at all.